Hey, let me show you two methods of dividing the whole column by the center number. Method number one, we click next to that column. Hopefully you got free column to use. And then you can just start typing equals. Click on the value. So click on this column B2 and then divide it. So you got slash here and then that number you want to use. So divided by 2, let's say enter. Okay, and then you can simply drag this all the way down to match with all of the other values in this column. And this way we generate a new column with numbers from the column B divided by 2. The downside of this method is if I want to change this number 2 to something else like 3, then I need to remember to drag it all the way down, and that's make room for errors, human errors. Alright. How about setting this number somewhere in the document so we will never forget what is the number that we use? Alright, let's set it at the very top here. So I'm going to type number 4. Okay, and now I would change the formula. Divided by, and then I click on this number 4. This is C1. I will need to lock the 1 position, so I don't want this to move anywhere. I want to be locked to the very first row. That's why I'm going to type this $sign in front of it. Here it is. Okay, and enter. Now I can drag it down and I can now easily see what is the number, and also I can change it quickly. So I can change it back to number 2, enter, everything is updated. Alright, so here are two ways of creating a column from another column divided by a certain number that you need. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.